It's a certified 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLC. Corners are traded in for curves. The GLC has emerged with a C-Class inspired cabin and sophistication and a taste for the wild. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Engine auto stop start feature. Height adjustable automatic with driver control suspension. External memory control. Refrigerated box located in the glove box. Power tilting steering column. Auto dimming rear view mirror. DVD audio. Memory exterior door mirror settings. Power telescoping steering column. Auto tilt away steering column. And LED low and high beam headlights. To get the best, get a Mercedes-Benz. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.